Okay, so we're getting an earlier start today. Yesterday worked very late trying to get this thing in a better position. Got it all cut out, got all the dirt out. Got the rock ready to go in. I have a little bit of rock to take out to put the screen down. We're gonna put a screen down. Then I'm gonna fill all this up with rock, and we're gonna see where we stand. If it's enough rock, then I'm gonna start packing. This all has to be packed down. So I'm gonna make sure I have all my correct measurements and everything's where it's supposed to be and get this rock in. Get an early start today. Let's get started.
Okay, so starting out, I had to remove the rock that I'd put in the night before. I'd forgotten that I needed to put the membrane in, so I had to take all of that back out, starting out first thing, and had to get it all cleared out. So noticed I used that tarp so I could not make a mess on that part of the lawn again, make easy removal, or I could move that rock around if I needed to. So there, I put the membrane down and I put the rock back in, and I'm going to spread that out some. And now I'm backing the truck up, getting the rock ready to finish off this spot. Well, it's much easier to load the rock in approximately where you want it than it is to try to move it all afterwards. So I always try to put it approximately where I want it. It makes it much easier when you have to level it out. And that's gonna about do it for this episode. I'm getting ready to get a look at the finished product, and we'll get started on it again first thing in the morning. There you are, and that's the way I do it. We'll see you next time.